Hello world, I'm Damian from The Monkeys. I'm gonna show you today a little bit of the Bali life, a harsh reality of Bali life without the tourists, because it's already 1.5 years when it's almost no tourists at all, no international tourists and little bit domestic tourists only in Bali. And some places in Bali looks better and some places looks worse, and today I'm gonna show you this worst looking the places like Jalan Poppies Lane 2 and Jalan Benasari in Legian. So I want to invite you for the virtual tour with me. Please enjoy. So this is very well known Legian Street, but today we are going here into right to Gang Benasari, but it's little bit traffic, people confused. This is the name of the little gang, small street, small gang. Well, in shortly, this small street is famous for very local life in Legian, in Bali, in Indonesia, obviously. Many tattoo shops, many surfer shops, many hostels, guest houses, sports bars, Australian bars, and well, many other things like this, spas, shops, mini markets. Just a little bit of the local life in the tourist heart of Legian in Bali. Here you can stay even for longer term, their prices. And I'm gonna take you today for the little bit of the virtual tour on Jalan Benasari and Poppies Lane 2. Poppies Lane 2 will be at the end of the video, but first of all, please enjoy today's Benasari street and Legian. Driving here by car today. Weather unfortunately still remains not that best. It's very cloudy, it's very dark, and it's also very sad when I already passed the street this afternoon, like half hour ago, to be honest, to knew what I can expect here, and I can say the view is a little bit sad. Nothing or really not much has changed here since almost 2 years now, like 1.5 years, when everything is almost closed and empty and deserted and without tourists, without people walking around, because previously was so many people walking around and the bars was full, the tattoo shops was full, everything here was full, like with the people who are passed on the motorbike, but in the amount when everybody was happy around. But now it's not even much to talk about. I'm doing this as the request for a few people who really miss the area of Poppies Lanes and the Benasari Street. So this is for you guys. This is the 4 Points Sheraton. Many surfer people used to live here during the holidays, mostly because of the cheap accommodation. Also many backpackers, and yeah, that was great area. I have to say, whenever was busy, there was really good vibes around and very colorful place. Now it looks gray, closed, dark, graffitis on the left, on the right, empty places. But previously there was very colorful place and many things was happening around. Also many stories about that, good and little bit worse. Also that area was not the 100% the safest one, but definitely the vibes was great here. Are the vibes still great here? You can comment below, especially for the people from you who used to stay here and having a great memories. You can comment what is your thoughts about the currently what's going on here, because for me personally it's very sad indeed. Yeah, some people cycling, and this is the corner. Here was also some tattoo stuff like this. Another tattoo shop at the front, and this tattoo shop is open, I think, but well, the guy sitting outside and waiting for anyone who will take a tattoo. Here is the shop with surfing boards, local people making the surfing. But look at this building over here, devastated This is already 1.5 year when everything is almost closed. Bali is without tourists. Here's the Cramps. This is the only one restaurant what is open on Benasari street. I don't even know if they are registered, maybe on Poppies Lane too. But yeah, quick focus. Here's the Grand Barong, and this is the Poppies Lane too. But I need to go around, and I'm gonna show you this area later. And here we go. This is the entrance to the Jalan Poppies too. And well, there are some warungs open by the merchandise and clothes. This is the one-way road, always remember, but well, because of the currently situation without tourists and much traffic around motorbikes driving both ways. Actually, well, I'm not gonna lie, people by motorbikes, they used to drive here both ways all the time. I think even is no one-way road for the motorbikes, but for the cars definitely. This is the back side of the Beach Walk Mall in Kuta, and there are some people selling food and warungs selling the stuff, merchandises, but not that really busy. Well, that's the unfortunately this is the harsh reality of Bali without the tourists, and I think you have to agree with me, as it's sometimes you are speechless, right? Like I am sometimes speechless. I mean, like documenting this streets already since the beginning, but sometimes when you like more slowly drive or walk around and you start thinking about that more deep, you realize actually as is I'm pretty sad. Some warungs here trying to be open, and they trying to trying to make a business, but by opening and waiting for the people. But well, this is the only first local domestic tourists here what I see for entire day, but they didn't go to the guy what he was open actually there and talk with them. So yeah, it's sad. This is the bar what I was saying, coming back from the Benasari and Grand Barong, and now we are heading to the Legian Street, exactly to the point where is the VIP, X, Sky Garden, and the other bars also gonna show you there. But meanwhile, look at this one. It's like so many totally abandoned places, and also the same, this street is exactly the same like Benasari with the same kind of businesses and everything, but it's very quiet. And also it's exactly 6 o'clock right now in the midweek, but 6 o'clock afternoon. It's not rain, so it's cloudy, but it's not rain. And at the front is the horse car. I forgot the name, official name. Somebody commented last time, but I forgot. Also in Poppies Lanes, long time ago there was many famous businesses like, but all of them they are already gone, and I don't know what's happened with this horse here. Yo, what's up, doggo? I hope so they're not gonna stuck here, because that's not the best spot to stuck, especially by car. And yeah, they are also obviously domestic tourists, at least little bit support for the this kind of transport. However, this is very controversial way of the transportation in Bali. So yeah, and this is the VIP bar. It's open now, but well, it's open. Sky Garden, of course, many stories about that. This will be in Canggu in the very near future. A long time I didn't been in Canggu. Maybe I should go. Maybe you can expect the video in Canggu in this weekend. And this is the Legian Street, Banti discotheque, parties, some tourists.